What if I told you that there's a place on Earth that houses more than half of the world's species, yet remains largely unexplored? Welcome to the Amazon, the world's largest tropical rainforest and the beating heart of our planet. Sprawled across 9 countries in South America, this emerald expanse is a testament to the raw, uncontrolled beauty of nature. It's an intricate web of biodiversity, home to an estimated 400 billion individual trees representing over 16,000 species. But the Amazon's significance extends far beyond its boundary. It's a vital cog in the global climate system. Nicknamed the planet's lungs, the Amazon absorbs vast quantities of carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. It's a natural air purifier and environmental safeguard. Now let's delve into the real magic of the Amazon, its inhabitants. The rainforest is a treasure trove of life, teeming with an estimated 2.5 million insect species. It boasts the richest collection of birds in the world, with more than 1,600 species adding their songs to the forest's soundtrack. And let's not forget the unique species that call the Amazon home. Creatures that seem plucked from the pages of a fantastical tale. There's the jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas, stealthy and strong. The pink river dolphin, a charismatic mammal that navigates the waterways with grace. The slow-moving sloths, the vibrant macaws, and the elusive anaconda. Each species adds a new layer to the Amazon's rich tapestry. But the Amazon is not just about the wildlife. It's also home to nearly 400 indigenous tribes, each with their own unique cultures, languages, and ways of life. These communities are the true guardians of the forest, living in harmony with the land they call home. The Amazon rainforest, a world within our world, teeming with life yet shrouded in mystery. As we journey deeper into this enigmatic wilderness, we'll uncover the secrets it holds, revealing the incredible, the unexpected, and the truly extraordinary. Now that you're intrigued, let's delve deeper into the heart of the jungle and the wildlife that calls it home. The jungle is a vibrant, teeming hub of life. Every inch of it hums with activity, from the tallest canopy to the deepest undergrowth. And the stars of this show are undoubtedly the animals and insects that inhabit the rainforest. Take the poison dart frog, for instance. This tiny creature, no larger than a paperclip, packs a potent punch. Its skin secretes a toxin so lethal that indigenous tribes once used them to poison the tips of their blowgun darts. But nature, in her infinite wisdom, designed this deadly defense mechanism to protect the frog from predators, not to harm others. Then there's the majestic jaguar, the apex predator of the jungle. Stealthy and powerful, it moves like a shadow through the dense foliage. Its distinctive rosette-patterned coat provides perfect camouflage, allowing it to ambush unsuspecting prey. But the jaguar is not just a fearsome hunter. It plays a crucial role in controlling the population of other species, preventing overgrazing and maintaining the health of the jungle. And let's not forget the humble leafcutter ant. These industrious insects are the ultimate farmers. They cut leaves not to eat them, but to feed a fungus that they cultivate in their colonies. This fungus is their primary food source, and in return, the ants help to decompose plant matter, returning vital nutrients to the soil. These are but a few examples of the myriad species that inhabit the jungle, each with its unique adaptations and roles in the ecosystem. From the small and seemingly insignificant to the large and formidable, every creature contributes to the intricate web of life in the jungle. And so, as we marvel at the wonders of jungle wildlife, let's remember that each creature, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of the jungle ecosystem. Now, imagine towering trees, some reaching heights of up to 200 feet. Welcome to the giants of the jungle. In this magnificent realm, trees rise like skyscrapers, creating a lofty canopy that blankets the forest floor. They are the silent, stalwart guardians of the jungle. Their importance in the ecosystem simply cannot be overstated. Their towering trunks and spreading branches provide shelter and food for wildlife, serving as homes for countless species, from the tiniest insects to the most magnificent birds and mammals. These giants of the jungle are not just homes, though. They are also the rainforest larder, supplying a bounty of fruit, nuts, and leaves that feed a myriad of creatures, both great and small. In return, these animals spread the seeds of the trees, ensuring their continued existence. It's a beautiful cycle of mutual benefit that has been in motion for millions of years. Among the towering giants, 2 species stand out, the kapok and the ceiba trees. The kapok tree, also known as the silk cotton tree, pierces the sky with its majestic height, often reaching up to 200 feet or more. It's a symbol of life, providing shelter and sustenance to an array of creatures, from monkeys and birds to insects and reptiles. Then, there's the Tiba tree, another titan of the jungle. Known as the Tree of Life in many cultures, the Tiba is revered for its enormous size and spiritual significance. Its thick, buttressed trunk and wide-spreading branches create a microhabitat all on their own, supporting a diverse range of life. But these giants of the jungle play a role that extends far beyond their immediate surroundings. They are key players in the global carbon cycle, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. In doing so, they help to regulate the planet's climate, making them vital in our fight against climate change. These towering giants not only dominate the landscape, but also support countless forms of life. Beneath the lush canopy and dense vegetation, there's a hidden world teeming with life. This is the rainforest floor, a place as enigmatic and vibrant as the levels above it. Often shrouded in darkness due to the towering trees blocking sunlight, the rainforest floor can be a challenging place for life to thrive. Yet, it is home to a myriad of unique and fascinating creatures. From the stealthy jaguar, the largest predator in South America, to the tiny leafcutter ants, each with a role to play in the intricate web of life. The rainforest floor is also the realm of decomposers, those unsung heroes of the jungle. These organisms, which include fungi, bacteria, and a host of insects, play an essential role in breaking down dead plants and animals. This process of decomposition is crucial for the health of the rainforest. It returns nutrients back to the soil, ensuring the lush green growth that we associate with these ecosystems. Without decomposers, this cycle of life would grind to a halt, turning the rainforest into a barren landscape. Among these decomposers, the fungi stand out in their importance and diversity. They form vast networks in the soil, breaking down organic matter and converting it into nutrients. They're also known for their spectacular fruiting bodies, or mushrooms, which can be found in a dazzling array of shapes and colors. Another group playing a significant role in decomposition are the detritivores, creatures that feed on dead organic material. These include millipedes, woodlice, and earthworms. They help break down larger pieces of organic matter, making it easier for the fungi and bacteria to do their job. Through their combined efforts, these organisms ensure the continuation of the rainforest's cycle of life. They turn death into life, decay into growth, ensuring the rainforest remains a place of vibrant biodiversity. The rainforest floor, a world often overlooked, yet bustling with activity and crucial to the forest's survival. So next time you think of a rainforest, remember not just the towering trees and the exotic birds, but also the hidden world below, where life and death dance in a never-ending cycle. Our journey through the jungle would be incomplete without discussing its future. As we've journeyed together through the vast expanses of the world's largest tropical rainforest, we've marveled at the breathtaking beauty and intricate balance of life that exists within this jungle. But this majestic ecosystem is facing serious threats. Deforestation, driven by logging, farming, and mining, is eroding this precious habitat at an alarming rate. Every minute, an area of the rainforest the size of 20 football fields is lost. But it's not just deforestation. Climate change is another notorious culprit. Rising global temperatures are causing shifts in rainfall patterns and increasing the frequency of droughts, wreaking havoc on the delicate balance of life in the jungle. These changes pose a significant threat to the wide array of species that call the rainforest home. Yet, amidst these challenges, there is hope. Around the globe, conservation efforts are underway to protect and preserve these vital ecosystems. Governments, nonprofits, and even individuals are stepping up to combat illegal logging, promote sustainable farming practices, and protect endangered species. These measures are crucial in ensuring the jungle's survival and, by extension, the health of our planet. In the grand scheme of things, the rainforest is not just a collection of trees and animals. It's a complex, interconnected web of life that provides us with oxygen, absorbs carbon dioxide, and houses a staggering array of biodiversity. It's a global treasure that we cannot afford to lose. The future of the jungle, and in turn our planet, lies in our hands. Every effort to conserve these magnificent ecosystems counts. Whether it's making a donation to a conservation organization, volunteering your time, or simply making more sustainable choices in your daily life, every action makes a difference. In the end, it's not just about preserving the jungle for its own sake, but for the survival and prosperity of all life on Earth. The stakes are high, but together, we can ensure that the jungle's future is as vibrant and diverse as its present. Remember, every creature, no matter how small, plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of the jungle ecosystem.